Oreku, what are you eating? Bofrot. Kobe, what are you eating? Is it nice? So today we're making Tom Brown puff puff or Bofrot or Toogbei. I have some already sifted Tom Brown flour in the bowl. I'm going to sift my all-purpose flour into the bowl as well. The sifting helps it to mix more quickly, okay, to prevent lumps. And then I'll go in to add my sugar, and then again I'll add some salt, yeast, and nutmeg. Those are the dry ingredients, just that you need, okay? So how did this recipe come about? So my boys here, they have these, I don't know to call them swing moods or whatever, but there's a point in their lives where they do not like to eat something continuously again. And Tom Brown was one of them, or is one of them. So I have to look for other recipes to use the Tom Brown flour, or else I don't know whether to throw it away or to give it out or whatever. But yeah, these are my dry ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and add in some water. So I'm using warm water, okay? So this was the first time I was trying this recipe. That's why you see that I'm adding the water in bit by bit. But I used in total 1 cup of water. I'll leave all the measurements and ingredients in the description box so you can check it out and make some of this nutritious goodness for yourself, especially your little bloomers. Because you know that Tom Brown is a multi-grain flour and is packed with nutrients that will aid in the growth of your bloomers. So, like you do with the usual tugbe or puff puff, you're going to cover the dough and store in a warm place till it rises. So, this took about an hour, and then I'm ready to fry. So, I let out some of the air from the dough or batter. So, I'm not really good at the throw, catch, and drop method. So, I'm going to be using my ladle to help me, seeing as the dough is a bit wet. So, however, the shape came out, I mean, my boys enjoyed it. Okay. Whatever method you're good at, use it and drop your butter into your oil and allow your bofrot or togbe to fry. So same procedure in frying the bofrot if it didn't have the Tom Brown powder, okay? Make sure your oil is hot before dropping in your mixture, okay? And then once your mixture goes in, lower the heat a bit and then allow the togbe or bofrot to fry, just so that the inside part is also very well cooked. So one thing about me and my family is that we like it to be crunchy on the outside. So I fry my bofrot for longer. But if you do not want it that way, fry it the way you want and then let your family enjoy it. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi and this is the Taste and Bloom Kitchen. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for taking the time out to watch me once again. When you're done watching this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share, and let the video reach other people as well. So this is the inside of my Tom Brown puff puff or bofrot, and it tastes so good, trust me. Try this before I see you again in my next video and keep blooming.